Are you the type of creator with big energy that cannot wait to record? You've got charisma, you've got confidence, but when you do record, suddenly you're rambling for way too long and you don't know how to land this plane. You, my friend, may be a presenter. And if you're a presenter type, you probably start strong, but then you spiral because we didn't know where we were going with this. You lose your train of thought, you go on tangents, you start singing whatever song comes into your head. You talk yourself in circles trying to say everything, but maybe you don't need to do all that. You know there's more videos to make. Now, if you still don't know your creator style, I need you to head over to take the Ecamm creator quiz and find out if you are a planner, presenter, or producer. And let me know in the comments which one you are, because you know I have a video for everybody. I don't want you to turn down your magic. That is exactly what we want, but I want you to be able to channel that without rambling. First things first, you are going to stick to 3 points max. You can make a choice before you start. What are your 3 points? Okay, you're going to give yourself a clear and simple structure. I really like to do intro to whatever the topic is, point 1, point 2, point 3, and then wrap it up. Like, honestly, go back and watch this video. You'll see the structures in there. The next thing I want you to do is to film in short takes. Break it up. We do not need you to record a 2-hour keynote. We're just making content, okay? Because if the 3 points freaked you out a little bit, you have more than one video to film, okay? It does not all need to be in one. I want short takes, one topic, one question, one answer, and then do another one, because I know you want to. And I want you to use visual anchors, okay? You can use your slides, your prompts, anything that's going to help you stay focused and on topic, because we know how quickly you can go off the rails. But this is where Ecamm becomes the key. You're going to use overlays and scenes. You can build in your bullet points right within Ecamm. Remember your point 1, point 2, point 3? You build them right into Ecamm so it keeps you on track. And you build all of this before you record, so when you do record, it's smooth, it's structured, but it's still you. And it's gonna be amazing. Because my friend, you're fabulous, but we don't need you to talk forever. We just need you to talk smarter. And I need you to trust that your presence is already powerful. You do not have to keep going in order to prove to us that you know what you're talking about. Just know what you're talking about. Keep it simple, stay focused, let the camera love you, and then make a lot of videos instead of just one really long one. And I cannot wait to see them. They're gonna be really good.